the catalytic converter. So I'm gonna change that. It's the new replacement one that's going in there. Okay, and this is on the two bolts that's under the bottom. That's hold it in place. This one and this one. This one is 13. The one them on the top is 12. One is out. Right now, this board is disconnected. Okay, I'm gonna go to disconnect the top now. And I already loosen up this too. The next thing I'm taking off is this right here. This thing connect all the way into the bottom of the exhaust. So I'm gonna just take it off from the top because it's easier access. So once that come out, I'll just take it off. I'll just disconnect the bottom once I take the probe. I'll get a lock on for the half. 12 bolt. Alright, I'll clear that now. Ready to get it out of here. Alright, now I'm gonna get these ready to take off. Spray them up so they can start getting I really should change on the auto sensor then, but use the same one. One look longer than one, but I'm hoping that it's just looks like it fit perfect. Because even these, like, you know, they shape the same way. So take the off, it's supposed to look just like this, so the pipe goes sit around there. So this is the same. Right here, look. This one look the same as this. Auto sensor. Alright. Look good to me. One of these broke off in there is a good thing. I'm not using that anymore. Take this out. Once I take this out, switch everything back over and then start getting the other one ready to install. All the parts that I'm gonna need, switch over to this one, auto sensor, and this one right here. Switch that over. Switch this each shield over.
I'm gonna go play with my ball.
Get the gasket. too quick though. Okay, let's see.
So the rat can eat it.
No shit the back of that.
I got my jacket.
Alright, I'm putting the back. Screw on the bottom. Bottom screw back on. The only thing we're going to put in on but this little sensor right here. Alright, I'm about to start it up and delete this down off that code. Now it's running smooth. Just burning off all the little smoke off of there. And that's about it. Trying to speed it up. Get this smooth and good to go. Alright man, thank you again for watching. Like and subscribe if this video helps. See you in the next video.